We're at the let's clean and polish stage. This eucalyptus oil, 3 things about this. Great for a clean and polish. Thank you to Groovy Glass and the ACT for that hint and tip. The other tip we want to know about is, because this is going in the garden, is that bugs don't like eucalyptus oil. So we can give it a nice clean every now and again with this oil, polish it all up, and it keeps the spiders and bugs away, because there's plenty of little nooks and crannies here for the spiders to make little nests. And the other big advantage, number 3, is it cleans your sinuses up for you as you go. So all round pretty good. And what a wonderful result. I'm really thrilled with this. So next bit is the photo opportunity, because the last task is to share it with the group. So you can see how lovely and pretty that makes that oil does to the glass. Just makes it absolutely pop. And you can actually see the purple mirror tiles. Oh, my sinuses feel fabulous. Now we'll go and take its photo so it looks beautiful with a plant in here.